In terms of our criminal defense aspect to our firm at Alexander Gaxiola, we represent a wide variety of people charged with crimes. It's important for anyone to realize that a charge is simply that, a charge. There's a presumption of innocence. At Alexander Gaxiola, we represent people in drug cases, in homicide cases, in aggravated assault cases, and a other myriad of DUI cases and simple assault cases. We strive to do our best for each individual client, fully realizing that the bastion of hope rests with our firm in terms of representing the client against the state of Arizona. In terms of criminal defense at Alexander Gaxiola, we have extensive experience in understanding legal concept. For example, search and seizure. There are a number of issues that arrive when the police stop a vehicle. There has to be a legitimate reason for the stop and a legitimate reason for the search. And many people do not understand these concepts. It's important for any time that a person gets stopped in a motor vehicle and or searched that they contact an attorney to review their rights and to get involved with the case to determine if anything can be done in terms of getting the case dismissed. We see a large percentage of the type of cases and the punitive sanctions imposed as being very politicized in the context of the pressure by the community and by the type of punitive sanctions imposed by the courts. Essentially, it's the state of Arizona against the individual who's charged with a crime. It's an enormous amount of pressure for that individual. We empathize with that individual. We understand the context and the situation that we're in. And we know how the system works. We know the court process. We know the procedures. And we know the law. And the client can rest assured that we will do everything in our power, legally and professionally and ethically, to maximize the client getting the best possible resolution to the outcome of the case.